Ankita.
How are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I am also fine. Ankita, I want to ask a question from you.
You can ask.
Ankita, what do you think about good manners?
Good manners are very compulsory both boys and girls.
These do not cost anything but are valuable for social relation with others.
Good manners help a person with winning friends and admiration.
It is very necessary that children should thought good manners. Third manner children bring bad name to their parents.
A person without manners will always remind him.
Therefore, it is very necessary that parents and teachers should teach good manners to younger children.
Sometimes even children belonging to rich family do not have good manners.
Yes.
The manner depends on the politeness.
Use of polite words like thank you, sorry, please can create a good impression on others.
Although these cost nothing and they have a probable impression on others.
When you have to say sorry to other people, we should lie in a polite manner that their feeling is no hurt.
We must always other opinion and feeling to others, great men, humble and simple.
We should not be jealous to achievement of others. We should not be criticize a person in our absence.
You are right.
Thank you for sharing your good ideas.
You are most welcome. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Now Shivani Swami and Rishita Jain of class 1st, please present here too for your conversation. Hello Rishita, good morning.
Hello Shivani, good morning. What about you?
I am fine. I had a conversation with your father. He told me you cannot take admission in graduation. Why so?
I have lost everything in life. My motive is going for IIT only. I could not break the exam.
Rishita, the world is full of the opportunities. If you are failing in one exam, then the other opportunities are nearby, and you cannot be failed in every exam.
Shivani, you know very well that I was serious in this exam.
Yes, I know. I know. You left taking part in sport tournaments because you are good champion in tennis.
Then how could I this failure of mine too easy? It was my dream. I cannot take part in other college.
Yes, I know. It was our dream, but you cannot spoil your career only because of it. So, success and the failure are part of every people's life. You cannot stop playing if you are failure and lost one match.
I don't have any other option now. How can I success this attempt when I cannot create a credit last time I have lost all the hope.
Do not lose our hope because all the successful people are facing failure once in every people's life. They had lost her hope. They cannot be successful. For example, Albert Einstein.
I cannot this study that material. I cannot study that material because when I read in after 3 years.
Rishita, there are many people who waiting for 10 years for it. Want to get disheartened, come along with me. We will have a great time together. I will help you.
Thanks a lot Shivani for your support. I have very lucky you my friend.
Welcome, my dear friends. It is my responsibility.
Now, Anjali and Avantika are come to on the stage and start your conversation.
Good morning, everyone. Today, me and Anjali
Sri Devi, girls of class 12 are going to present a conversation in front of you. Our topic is most likely problem of today's era, and that is pollution. You, me and all who present here directly or indirectly anyhow contributed in emitting pollution. So let's get start. Hope that you all will enjoy it.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you? What's going on?
I am alright. Nothing much is going on. Just normal routine. You say?
How did you get in so many days?
Nowadays I am running an NGO to preserve environment, so I have a very busy schedule.
Oh, that's good.
Why are you so upset?
Yeah, these days I'm suffering from some breathing problem.
Yeah, that's true.
Last year I settled in the main city that is surrounding by many factories and industries. Due to air pollution and dirty water, I got seriously ill.
Yeah, you are true. The condition of air and water pollution is very critical in our country. It is very crucial to get rid of it. I am very sorry to know about your bad health.
But the main thing is that how to control this because pollution is increasing day by day and it becomes serious problem in today's era.
Nature is very important for our life. Healthy body only exists where healthy environment exists. Our NGO is working continuously to aware people to save environment, but it is also important that people also contribute in it.
Can you define more about pollution? I wanted to know more.
There are three kinds of pollution: air pollution, water pollution and noise pollution. Air pollution caused by the poisonous gas coming out from the factories and industries. Water pollution generates from the dirty water coming out from the pesticides and fertilizer that is used in the farming. Noise pollution generates from the horns and loudspeakers.
Yeah, recently I examined the condition of Delhi.
Please tell me your experience.
As you know, Delhi is the capital of India. Many industries and factories are established there. Due to pollution coming out from factories, the Delhi has become the most polluted city in the world. Asthma and high breathing problems. Some people are dying.
Yeah, you are true. Pollution of very critical in our country.
But the main thing is that how to control this.
We have to encourage the students in the schools because students are the future of nation.
Yeah, you should run motivational campus to aware children and students in school and college. Can you define the Antarctica crisis?
Antarctica is situated in the southeast pole of our Earth. About 90% of Earth's total ice is stored in Antarctica. It will interrupt the geological condition of the Earth.
It is a challenge to decompose them to stay in environment for many years. Many people, many places, they are banned from policing bags. So today I take to preserve environment and also support your NGO.
That's very good spirit.
Yeah, I will do my best.
Take care. Goodbye.
Goodbye. See you soon.
Hope that you all will enjoy it. Now I invited Dia and Dia Taylor from class 11 to present their teachers and student conversation.
Good morning, Honorable Chief Guest and worthy teacher. We are to here express your point of view and be conversation between student and teacher. We are going to start right now.
Good morning, dear students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, give your homework notebook to me.
Sorry, ma'am, I forget my notebook at home.
Did you do your homework?
Yes, ma'am, but I left my notebook at home.
How is it possible? I did not complete your work. It is just an excuse.
Sorry, ma'am. In fact, I had to go to my uncle yesterday, so I can't do this. My homework.
Do you prefer other things than studies? Very expensive.
You are right, ma'am. But my father asked me to go there when I go, ma'am.
That's right. After coming back, you do your homework.
Ma'am, it was at late night when I come back.
If you do not come regularly, you fail in exams.
You are right, ma'am. Next time I shall be careful and also understand.
One more thing, there is nothing important than study.
I have realized it, ma'am.
Now you prepare now.
Okay, ma'am. I will complete my notebook today and check the my notebook.
Now sit
And
down.
one most important line. The teacher is also known as Guru. The teacher is great source of knowledge. A teacher is gift of God who make your career and guide. The teacher is also called Guru. Thank.
Now Nikita and Komal from class 12 please come to present their conversation.
Hello, Nikita. How are you? Fine. No take time.
माइक सामने रखो ऑन करो
Hello, Nikita. How are you?
I am fine, Komal.
Fine. You know that time is the most valuable thing.
Yes, sir. Right. Time is so important. We also know that time is very important. Time is very valuable.
Yeah, time is key to success. Therefore, every person should use this time correctly.
Yeah, the success of failure of our life. Our life depends on the knowledge.
After losing your time is never come back.
Yeah, the people are wasting our time. Keep our time.
You know, today's generation is busy with electronic media and lost and where is the time?
Yeah, you are right. Today people are learning so much later and
We should aware about the people importance your time that if once a time gone then never come back again.
yes, we should have time management in our life. We get
Yeah, you should give time to all activities in our day and manage it our life.
yeah, laying on the bed and wasting our time thinking hard, thinking that we have time to do that.
Okay, bye. See you.
Thank you.
Now from child level I invite Neha and Vanshika to present their conversation. Neha and Vanshika from child level from class 8.
अब चुप रहो भाई माइक बेटा सामने रखना
Hi, how are you? Where are you nowadays?
Hello, I am trying to say I am Budam Dev.
Yes, our stage is very colorful. What do you like most?
Rajasthan is so attractive place. In Rajasthan, I like most its Sikri symbols and forts such as Ajmer, Chittor and Jaisalmer.
Yeah, and many traditional instruments are used in Rajasthan like sarangi, shenai, dhol and beat. Also dance popular age, Kathakali, Ghumar and etc.
Yes, food is also famous in both parts. Some days ago, we talked about this in our class, and Suman says about dal bhat churma. It is state food of Rajasthan.
In English, we start talking, but in Rajasthan, we use her catching bird, Khambagani and Ramdamsa.
Yes, you are right. There are linguistic variation, and it makes Rajasthan so awesome.
There are both types of desserts. There are both types of nature. One side there are desserts of Thar.
Yes, you are right. There are nature's variety. One side hot desert and other side cool and icy Mount Abu. Is also famous like Sursura and Ramdevla.
There are many places for visiting.
And there come many foreigners and in which Pushkar is so famous.
The dress of Rajasthan is also very colorful. The men are sari completely their face is a sign of respect and the men dhoti and kurta is safa.
Rajasthan is best place for tour. I have great reasons by this tour. You must visit Rajasthan.
Thank you.
us today. I know you did not need any more introduction because you are a sculpture of humanity. So for enlighten us with your word, I invited Arun Tawar sir to introduce us, to motivate.
A very good morning to all. Honorable Principal of this Education Society, respected Sri Suraj Sharma ji, other respected guests over there, very dear students. First of all, I would like to convey my thanks to the organizers to invite me as a guest of honor on a very beautiful and very important issue. Though I am not good in English, but after seeing your motto, I will try to speak in English, or should I speak in Hindi? For me, it will be convenient to speak in Hindi because I want to convey my message to each and everyone. आप सबको नमस्कार। सीधी अपनापन ऑफ लैंग्वेज। अपने अपने होते हैं और अपनों पे विश्वास बहुत अपना। लेकिन प्यारे बच्चों, हमें इस कंपटीशन की दुनिया में बहुत आगे जाना है। हमें अपनों से नहीं, दूसरों से कंपटीशन करना है, जिसके लिए उनकी लैंग्वेज सीखना बहुत जरूरी है। हिंदी हमारी अपनी भाषा है, लेकिन परफेक्टली यदि मैं कहूँ तो हम हिंदी बोलना भी नहीं जानते, और हम इस परफेक्शन के कारण इंग्लिश बोलना बिल्कुल नहीं सीखता। सो माय फर्स्ट रिक्वेस्ट टू यू, प्लीज ट्राई टू स्पीक in English by using छोटा word in day-to-day life. Don't try to speak perfectly. As I have already said, we are not perfect in Hindi also. जिस भाषा को हम बचपन से सुनते और समझते आ रहे हैं, उसमें भी हम परफेक्ट नहीं हैं, तो हम इंग्लिश में कैसे परफेक्ट हो सकते हैं। लेकिन ज्ञान जितनी भाषाओं का आपको हो वो आवश्यक है, ताकि हम दूसरों को जान सकें। तो हिंदी के बाद यदि कोई दूसरी भाषा विश्व की है तो इंग्लिश है, क्योंकि ये कनेक्टिंग पीपल वाली भाषा है। कनेक्टिंग नॉट पीपल, कनेक्टिंग अदर, दूसरी कंट्री के लोग हैं उनसे कनेक्ट करने की लैंग्वेज हमारी। कभी भी इसको रट के मत बोलें। दिमाग में जो आइडिया आए, जैसे हम हिंदी में सोचते हैं, उस वक्त इंग्लिश में सोचते, रटाया बोल सकते, लेकिन आइडिया हमेशा यहाँ से आते हैं। छोटे छोटे वर्ड आप यूज करते। मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा ये एफर्ट्स आपके स्कूल के। मैं अपने बारे में कहूँ, मैंने इंग्लिश 8th क्लास में शुरू की थी और 10th क्लास में छोड़ दी। पता नहीं आज बच्चे उतने चतुर हैं नहीं जितने हम थे। माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड का ऐसे याद करते थे और उसको पोस्टमैन में भी फिट करते थे, लेकिन जब वो फादर पे आया तो थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन हो गया। तो इस तरह के कॉमन आप लैंग्वेज जब आप यूज करते हैं तो आप सीख पाते। राजस्थानी आपकी दूसरी तीसरी भाषा है, मारवाड़ी की भाषा है, उसका भी आप उपयोग नहीं करते, लेकिन परफेक्शन भाषा में हो उसको क्या बोलते हैं, सीखने की ललक आपके अंदर होनी है। जो अभी 11th 12th के बच्चे परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, यदि उनको परफॉर्म करना है तो 3rd और 4th की क्लास किताब इंग्लिश की आप देनी पड़े। बहुत इजी सेंटेंस यहाँ से आपको सीखने को मिलेगा, क्योंकि उस वक्त जब आपने वो पढ़े थे उस वक्त आपके अंदर ज्ञान नहीं था कि हमें इंग्लिश सीखना है। उस वक्त आपने उसकी पढ़ाई की क्योंकि उसका एग्जाम था। आज आप 10th के बाद आ गए, तब आपको इम्पोर्टेंस लग रहा है कि हमें इंग्लिश सीखनी। सो ट्राई टू लर्न और टीच दोज बुक जो तीसरी की क्लास में आपने जस्ट पढ़ के छोड़ दिया। वहां से आप हिंदी के वर्ड उठाओ और आपस में रोज यहाँ पे खड़े होके रीड आउट करो, लाउडली बोलना सीखो, देख के बोलो, क्योंकि एक तो दूसरी भाषा है, दूसरी जब स्टेज पे आते हैं तो वैसे हाथ पैर कांपने लग जाते हैं, तो यहाँ से खड़े होके बोलने से कॉन्फिडेंस आता है। आई एम हैप्पी दैट दिस गर्ल इज हैविंग मच कॉन्फिडेंस इन दिस लैंग्वेज। सो माय एडवाइस टू यू, या इनको थोड़ा सा छोटे छोटे इन्होंने भी जो इन्होंने बताया कि आप टीवी देखते हैं, पिक्चर देखते हैं, अखबार पढ़ते, अच्छी बात है। और मैंने कितनी छोटी सी बात बताई, 3rd और 4th की बुक्स पढ़ो। अखबार में हो सकता है वो चीज ना लिखी हो, लेकिन जिन्होंने ABCD को अच्छे से जोड़ना सीख लिया 3rd और 4th में, या 3rd और 4th की किताब पढ़ के, वो इंग्लिश में बात, इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं। इंग्लिश हमारे एग्जाम की भाषा है और आने वाले टाइम में हमारी हिंदी भी एग्जाम की भाषा है। हम वैज्ञानिकों ने या हम शिक्षा ने कभी प्रयास नहीं किया कि हमारा जो टेक्निकल नॉलेज है वो भी हमारी मातृभाषा है। बट नाउअडेज आवर गवर्नमेंट इज थिंकिंग टू प्रिपेयर ए बुक इन हिंदी और इन लोकल लैंग्वेज। कुछ जगह मेडिकल की किताब, क्योंकि अपनी भाषा में लोगों को समझाना आसान है। आज कुछ कॉलेज में मेडिकल की पढ़ाई भी हिंदी में शुरू हो गई, लेकिन हिंदी हम जैसे तैसे सीख लेते हैं, बोल लेते हैं कहीं भी कहीं, लेकिन आप ही के हिंदुस्तान के हिस्से में बहुत सी जगह हिंदी जानी नहीं जाती, समझी नहीं। तो वहां पर इंग्लिश, क्या बोला मैंने? इंग्लिश। मैंने बोला इंग्लिश। क्या? हाँ, इंग्लिश। जब हिंदी और इंग्लिश का समावेश करके आप अपना मैसेज कन्वे करेंगे तो डेफिनेटली यू विल गेट ऑल काइंड ऑफ सपोर्ट फ्रॉम देम। माय बेस्ट विशेस टू यू एंड टू योर स्टाफ। आई एम हैप्पी to be the part of this very important occasion. I have some urgent meeting. It was planned at 11 o'clock. मैं आपकी भाषा में बोलने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, simple word को चुप। मैंने कहा मैंने इंग्लिश नहीं पढ़ी, but I am trying to do. My meeting was scheduled at 11 a.m. But on the way to your school, I gave message that please postpone it up to 11:30 because I am going to attend a small function in Mathura. My best wishes to you for your bright future, and I am fully confident that a person or a girl in this school will make you understandable. सभी को नमस्कार, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। जो वैज्ञानिक बनना चाहते हैं वो अंबिकानगर में विजिट करें। So I invite you all to visit my institute to see the various research activities going on in CSW. As you know that this institute is working on sheep, and we are also working on God and very beautiful animals, rabbit. So please enjoy your one-day journey at CSWR. So have a nice day. Thank you and once again, namaskar.
invite Pihu and Suman of class 1 to present their conversation.
हाँ आओ आओ दे now invite
Good morning, everyone. Respectable teachers and my dear friends.
Good morning, Suman.
Good morning. How are you? I'm fine.
I'm also fine. Why are you looking so worried?
You are right. I'm somewhat worried about environment pollution.
Oh yes, environment pollution is one of the biggest problems about this today. It will polluted everywhere.
माइक को सामने रखो
Yes, environment pollution can much harm to us.
Exactly. But what are you thinking about its result?
The result, environment pollution, economically, physically, and every day of our life.
Absolutely. The environment is polluted by environment is the pollution of the air. So pollution in environment increasing. What's your idea about it?
You are right. I think the plants, animals are likely to be destructed on account of increasing temperature.
The ice is melting and the water level of the sea is increasing.
Yes, of course, besides to environment pollution, we are suffering from various kinds of diseases.
You are right, but how can we prevent environment?
Yes, environment pollution can be prevent, but the main way is make harmful effect.
Thanks for this important discussion.
You are most welcome, Shivoli.
Anjumita and Priyanshi Chaudhary from class 11.
Hello.
हाँ थोड़ा और चेक करो
Hello.
Hi Priyanshi,
Hi,
what are you doing?
I am also fine.
What are you doing?
I read newspaper.
Why it is time wasting?
No, it is very important.
What useful it is?
It's
Hello.
yes.
Hi Priyanki, how are you?
Hi Anju, I am also fine.
What are you doing?
I read newspaper.
Why? It is time wasting.
No, it is very important.
What useful it is?
It's update knowledge and human newspaper is called the house story of knowledge.
You are right. Without reading newspaper, we cannot about the world.
They who don't read newspaper and they don't newspaper current affair and currently and what.
And sometimes newspaper full article of cricket or studies, they are very helpful.
Which seconds of newspaper do you like most?
Again, read the study page and you.
I like the general knowledge and English and theory articles. Sometimes I send my writers to your knowledge.
That's very good. Does it help the student in clear knowledge?
Yes, the knowledge in newspaper is amazing content and of relation to your studies.
Thanks a lot, Priyanki, for your valuable information.
You are most welcome.
Okay, hi, I have to go now.
Okay, see you later.
Mohini Sharma and Suman Saini from class 11.
Next floor तैयार है.
Antima Sharma and Divya Jain. Please ready for your next performance.
First of all, guys, don't be so hesitant. Just enjoy your performance and give your presentation on them. Okay? Don't be hesitant. Just enjoy it.
Good morning, Rohini. Very good morning, Suman. What are you doing? I am reading an article about the importance of fish plantation. Oh, that's good. Can you tell me something about it? Of course, it is always when we need a lot of fish because only fish can help us to survive. Fish have many gifts, provide food, oxygen, and medicine. Our biodiversity also comes from the fish. We are fish give many from food, flower, and we can help our environment. They give us food and care. You are right. We use fruits but some trees use important medicine. From where did you get this kind of information? I belong to farmer family. That's when I knowledge about it. Okay, then we should more trees and more plants. You are right. Thank you.
Antima Sharma and Divya Jain from class 11.
Hello, Antima. Good morning. What are you doing?
Nothing. I was just thinking about the plants and
Where are you doing that?
thank you.
Do you know trees are very important for us? They give oxygen and take carbon dioxide in.
Yes, this was taught in environmental science side.
Yes, trees are very helpful to us.
How?
To us so that they give furniture, medicine,
Yes, they do want the same trees and plants.
yes, we must protein trees, they should have and cut down and make a color paper.
People are so selfish. They cut down trees for their house needs.
We must save trees and grow more and more plants.
How do you know about trees?
Yes, I am belong to farmer family, so I know.
I do
you have decided that for my birthday every year I am going to plastic house champagne?
Yes, why not sure? We will suggest classmates also to do so.
That's a great idea.
Yes, thank you.
Most welcome and thank you so much for valuable advice.
Okay, let's go.
Siddhali Jain and Mittu Jain from class 11.
Hello Siddharthi, what's up? How are you? Hello, Mittu, I'm not absolutely fine. And what about you? I'm also fine. What coming? You smell very bad from your mouth. Nothing, just smell of smoking. What? Smoking? Oh my god, you are a smoker? I also feel like you smoke. Not bad. Not bad? Don't you know the bad effect of smoking? The many people are dying in the world from smoking. The smoking is bad by the people smoking all over the world. The people is smoking because they don't understand the bad effect of smoking. You know the smoking causes cancer. Cancer? Yes, cancer and many other diseases. It affects our lungs. But the smoking makes people smart. It's fascination dignitaries because the people had smoke. Besides the smoking, beginning drug addiction and the government of India banned the smoking park, public palace, hospitals. Really? Yes, and the government applied the fine on smoking in this palace. I don't think like that. Yes, you should leave it. Thank you so much for your valuable advice. Welcome. Kashish and Antima. Hi Antima, how are you? I am fine. You look worried. Is there any problem? You can share it with me.
Actually, I am worried about my exam. This is 1 week only for exam. I think I have not studied anything. I am feeling nervously.
Oh, just focus on your studies and you won't face any problems.
That's the problem. I cannot concentrate it.
This happened to me too, and hence I started meditating. It had a radical effect on my concentration power.
Thank you so much for your advice. I will surely follow it.
Then bye. I will meet you soon.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye. Neetu Sharma and Komal Seni from class 10 from youth level. Maintain your silence, please. Care your behavior.
Good morning everyone. Honorable Principal and Chief Guest, respected teachers and my dear schoolmates. My name is Neetu Sharma. I am reading class 10.
My name is Komal Seni. I read in 10th class. Today we want to tell about women empowerment.
First of all, I want to tell you why we choose this topic. Because we are also female students and watching the mystery of women.
Tell me something.
Human life cannot be imagined without women. Their important contribution in the society should not be forgotten, and the society is made up of all of us if we will respect them. I want to know little meaning of woman empowerment.
The meaning of woman empowerment is the most important of the woman confidence and so that they can get equal opportunities for the woman and men and women their confidence. Tell me some objects.
To create an environment through positive economical development and social policies for the women so that they can realize on patients.
Yeah.
What is the purpose of women empowerment?
The national objective of women empowerment is to communicate the progress and national objective of women confidence. Women empowerment is important for the development of country. Women empowerment is the most important thing.
When did women empowerment come into force?
Keeping in my mind the role of women empowerment, national build activities, the government had declared the year of 2001 as the women empowerment year.
Some people have said that यत्र नारीस्तु पूज्यन्ते नमन्ते तत्र देवता. जब नारी में है शक्ति सारी तो फिर नारी को क्यों कहे बेचारी.
अपमान मत करना नारियों का, इनके बल पर जग चलता है. पुरुष जन्म लेकर तो इन्हीं की गोद में पलता है.
चार दीवारों में एक मत करो, दिखाओ एक ही पूरी दुनिया. आगे पड़ेगी बेड़ियां तभी तो आगे बढ़ेगी बेड़ियां.
Anukriti Sharma and Gunjan Jain from youth level.
Good morning everyone and respected chief guests and teachers. Today we are convert about an American visit come in India. Let's start. Hello, how are you?
Hello, I'm fine, and you?
I'm also fine. What's your name?
My name Gunjan. What's your name?
My name is Anukriti. You are not looking like Indian. Which city do you belong?
I am no Indian. I am belong to New York.
Yeah, nice city.
Which state in India?
In Rajasthan.
Yeah, Rajasthan, famous of dance.
Yeah, you heard about the most famous dance, Moomba dance. By the way, where are you come here?
I am come here because I am visit the India Historical Palace.
Yeah, there are many historical palaces. You see Taj Mahal, Red Fort, Jama Masjid, Statue of Unity. Have you seen Taj Mahal?
Yes, I see the Taj Mahal. It is very beautiful. Why it is built?
Yeah, in memory of Shahjahan, Bilal Mumtaz. By the way, do you have any Indian friend?
No, I have no Indian friend. Do you went to America?
Yeah, I went to America because my childhood friend live in America, so I went to America.
Yeah. Which palace you visited you America?
I have no idea, it's in my mind, so please tell me about the most attractive palace in America.
There are many attractive palaces in America. Disneyland, Hong Kong and New York.
Yeah. What do you think about the Indian people?
I think Indian people are very good and culture is very beautiful. And I like the Rajasthan dresses. Where I can buy?
You can buy Jaipur, Jodhpur and Udaipur.
Yeah, I can buy. And I hear the Narendra Modi about the Alotto.
Yeah, Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India. He is a very good person.
Yes, मैंने सुना है. IPL. Can you dance it with me?
Sure.
Beautiful performance by Anukriti. Please
heartily request Mr. Surendra Singh ji come on the stage. Give up the big hand. It was welcome.
Good morning everyone, respected teachers and dear students. My name is Tina Verma.
My name is Radhika Sharma.
Today we are going to tell about importance of the plantation.
Hello Rina, how are you?
I am fine. What about you?
Yes, I am too good. What are you doing about this matter?
I am preparing the soil for plants. They are necessary to growth of plants.
Oh, my mother had interest in plantation, but I did not get, but I did not, but I did not plantation chance to learn could plantation. My mother could please to tell me about this excellent.
Yeah, why not? What do you want to know about plants?
First to tell me what is necessary about the growing plants.
There will be requirement for water, sunlight, and fertilizer to growth of plants.
What is this important of the tree?
The plants of our basic needs, the plants prevented global warming, air pollution, and soil erosion.
I also like to know that plants.
Now you are trying to plant and more trees.
Sure, let me to now. Thank you.
Well,
Jagriti and Kavita from class 10.
Good morning, everyone. Honorable Principal and Chief Guest, my respected teacher and my schoolmates. My name is Jagrati and I read in 10th class.
My name is Kavita Singh. I am reading class 10. Today I want you to tell me about two friend conversation. Let's start.
Hello Kavita.
Hello Jagrati.
How are you?
I am fine.
What are you doing nowadays? You know about BTS?
I am here something about BTS. Can you tell me about BTS?
Okay, listen. BTS is most popular K-pop band in world. It's 7 people group.
Oh, I see. Can you tell me about the member in the world famous?
Okay, I tell you. His name is Kim Taeyong.
Which is country of the band?
His name is South Korea.
Okay. Let's bring now have a concert.
Okay.
Open next day.
Have a nice day.
Siddhi Sharma and Ritu Chaudhary from class 9 to present their conversation. Hey Siddhi, what are you doing right now?
I am playing games on mobile.
Okay.
You don't play games on PC?
No, let's talk about merits and demerits of mobile.
Okay.
Mobile is an essential device. It has made our communication easy. It brings speed and change in our life. We can take photo, video and we can enjoy music from the mobile. Mobile is helpful for student studies.
Yes, you are right, but some techniques also.
Really, nowadays mobile has become an easy way of teasing girls. Some people commit crime using mobile. Some people hack someone's account and Gmail ID.
There are not also. There is much use of mobile is very harmful for health. It impairs our hearing power. It affected our eye.
Really? I did not know it before. Thanks for this knowledge.
Even some students concentrate in study because they use mobile full night. They are so much social platform like Instagram, Snapchat, etc.
Correct. But it is not the fault of mobile. It is our fault and our parents' fault because they give mobile in this small age.
Yes, you are right.
Yes, I think you are also correct. So I am also proper use of mobile. Thank you. Nice to talk to you. Shivi and Kashish from teenager level.
Hello Shri, how are you?
Fine, thank you. How are you? How about you?
I am also good. I am also good. Now we are in intermediate class, so we choose our career.
Yes, you are quite right. Success in life depends on the base of the career.
We must choose our career.
May I know you choose your career?
Yeah, I have decided to become a doctor. Do you like this profession?
Yes, I do. Could you tell me why you have choose this profession?
Most of the people are deprived of the service of the doctor.
Yes, there are shortage of the doctor in rural areas because of the due to lack of the doctor. So it is necessary to become a good doctor. So it is a good profession of doctor.
I want to serve the people.
Yes, it is necessary. Are you interested to go to villages and by giving the health treatment and medical care?
Yeah, therefore about this profession, I will be able to earn money honestly and could you tell me about your profession?
Yes, of course, I want to become an agriculture officer.
Most children like to be doctor, engineer. Why not you?
Because agriculture officer gives samples of the plants and animals and I want to invest in agriculture officer.
Yeah, if you tell me about your plans.
And I myself an advocate in agriculture school after completing my education and I want to join to agriculture officer.
Yeah, it is a noble profession.
Yes, I teach the farmers about the modern method of cultivation.
I expect your plans.
Yes, there is not enough to choose a career to work hard to fulfill our plans.
Yeah, of course. We must do well. We must do well in examination. Otherwise, we do not be able to become a doctor or engineer.
Thank you, Kashi. Nice to speaking you.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Again come on youth group. I invited Abhilasha Nayak and Urvashi Swami of class 9.
Hello Rashi, how are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I am fine too, but I am worried about air pollution.
Oh, I see. Nowadays it has become a great problem which is creating a threat to our life.
Yes, air is being many pollutions and it is giving fault.
Absolutely. The most common agent pollute air is fog.
Yes, smoke pollution air forever. Bus, trucks also use petrol and diesel, but these things smoke and air pollution.
You are right. Smoke all of kinds products, carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide and thus pollute air.
You might have noticed that there is serious of air pollution.
Yes, besides, it occurs in big cities where many cars, buses, trucks move on the roads every day.
Deforestation plays an important role in air pollution by increasing carbon dioxide in the atmosphere.
You are right. And due to pollution, our environment is getting warm and losing its balance.
Yes, the besides pollution, air is different, incurable, etc.
But we must take steps to reduce air pollution.
Air is being many beings, but we should be over air pollution. Thank you so much.
You are most welcome.
Komal Saini and Kiran by class 9.
Hello, hi, what is your name?
My name is Sinari and I am from Korea.
Oh, and my name is Komal and I am from India. I asked you because you look like Korean.
Yes, I look like Korean because I am.
I have heard about Korea and I like Korean culture and nature. I like to see K-dramas, BTS and Blackpink. They are so talented.
Yes, you are right.
What did you know about India?
I am falling in love with this country, especially with the Indian street food. I like India's weather, palace and river because they are so beautiful.
Yes, you are right. What did you? Do you know any Hindi words?
Yes, I know a little bit like namaste. It's hello.
Oh, and I know a little bit Korean like Annyeong. This is what I learned from K-dramas.
You said it well.
Why are you come to India?
I learned about India very much because its culture, its festival, its fashion and its natural beauty is very attractive.
Yes, you hear about India. It's correct. When are you going back to Korea?
Yeah, I am going back to Korea in some days.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Komal. See you soon.
Okay, hi, bye.
Next, Kiran Jangri and Karika Tiwari will also come in on the stage and start your conversation.
Hi, Kiran, how are you? I'm fine, Karika. And what about you? I want a smart paper for me too. I am writing an essay on women education topic for you. Point of view about understand.
Sure, it is really a very important topic for the modern world.
For more far, it is very important topic on no making education.
Right education means to train a person both mentally as well as morally.
Why is female education so necessary?
Female education undoubtedly important because an educated nation depends on an educated mother. In any part of the movement plays the most important role.
How can a woman play great role?
You know, women were the comfort of the four walls of their house in the past. Their duty was cooking, cleaning, washing and bringing up children. But now, because of education, they are working together with men.
I think I can know right better topic.
To enhance the speed of the development of a nation, female education is given.
Yes, I very important education women. Thank you for your
You are welcome. Goodbye.
goodbye. See you soon.
Kalpana Chaudhary and Janvi Gujar from class 9.
Hello, Janvi, how are you?
I am fine, Kalpana, and you?
I am also from Janvi. We are intermediate while trying success in life demanded of right choice of career.
We must choice of career. May I know your choice of career?
Yes, of course. I have decided to become a doctor, choice of career.
Yes, I think it is a good preparation. Could you tell me why you have joined this preparation?
Most of our people are dependent on service of the doctor.
Yes, there are shortage of good doctors in our country. They who live in villages cannot consult a good doctor.
I want
I went to be an agriculture officer.
most students like to be doctor, engineer, choice of career.
Our country is an agriculture country. Our economy depends on agriculture.
It's right. Please tell me about your plan.
After completing my education, I will join the service of agriculture cadre.
I appreciate your plan.
Choice career is not enough. We must work hard to fulfill our plan.
We must afford.
Thank you, Janvi. It was very nice speaking to you.
Goodbye.
Bye. Goodbye. See you again. Neetu Chaudhary and Kalpana Rajesh from youth group.
Good morning, doctor. Good morning. What's your name? Kalpana, what's your problem?
I have been suffering from fever since yesterday.
Do you have any other symptoms?
I have fever and very.
Don't worry, there is nothing serious. I'm giving you the medicine and you will be alright in a couple of days.
Okay, doctor.
But get your blood tested for malaria and come with the report tomorrow.
Okay, doctor.
I shall recommend at least 2 days rest for you.
Would you prepare a medical certificate for me to submit it in my office?
Of course, here is a medical certificate.
Thank you very much, doctor. Please tell me what should I do?
You should eat only light food. You can take milk and fresh food also.
Thank you, doctor. I shall see you tomorrow with my blood report.
Okay, take care.
Harshita Chaudhary and Tanu Sharma from class 9.
अच्छा आवाज नहीं हुई आवाज नहीं करनी है
Hello, Rita. How are you? I am fine also. How are you? Study going on?
My study are going on. Do you know that in the Pampa like our classes are continuing online for their
Yes, Harshita. I am also studying through online classes.
And according to the government instruction forms, we have decided to stay slow online classes. So we can continue our study and our future.
Absolutely right. The government has taken this step only our safety. I found it very helpful to study through online classes during such difficult time.
Yes, Tanu, I understand everything is very well and in online classes our whole school classmates are discussing our lesson with each other and our teachers.
I also found these classes very useful. Okay, friend, my class is going to start soon. I have to go now.
Sure, friend, tomorrow is my online test. See you later. Bye.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Harshita Chaudhary and Tanu Sharma of class 9. Kirti Jangir and Krishna Sharma.
Hello, Krishna. How are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I am very good. How is your family?
Everyone is
How about your health?
He is very good.
How do you know me?
I have them in your school.
You are healthy.
Yes, I am healthy.
What do your father do?
My father is a doctor.
What do your mother do?
My mother is a
What your
Now coming on child group, I invite Suman and Riddhima to present their conversation. Suman and Riddhima for class 8.
Next level, child level is started.
Hello Riddhima, how are you? I am fine. Why are you looking so sad? Which subject is difficult for you? When is your half yearly exam starts? Okay, I have a solution to your problem. First of learn whole chapter, important question and short question. Every day read on this chapter. Maybe this is it for you. Yes, okay, best of luck for your exam. Once again, thank you so much.
Vijayalakshmi and Payal from class 8. Vijayalakshmi and Payal.
अच्छे बच्चे अब कौन अच्छा है
Hello Payal, how are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I am fine. What are you doing in the garden?
I am going for planting.
It is necessary you are just taking the pool deck.
What are you doing? What are you saying? Do you cannot? Waiting to take off is the on going increase of carbon dioxide air pollution.
Are all this true? Please tell me about the importance of tree planting. I want to know about it in detail.
Of course.
Neha and Vanshika. Harshit and Prince.
Harshit and Prince now come on
Harshit and Prince. Saraswati and Kiran.
Hello Kiran, how are you? Hello Kiran, how are you?
I am fine, thank you. What about you?
I am good. Where are you going?
I am going to the market. Where are you going?
I am also going to the market.
What do you want to buy?
I want to buy a car. What will you buy?
I will buy any.
Tomorrow is my birthday. I invite you on my birthday.
I am accept your invitation.
Happy birthday to your advance.
Thank you.
Payal and Harshita from class 7. countries and of many players international.
You are right. Now I have decided I want that I will learn English.
Good decision. You learn now that about 350 million people speak English as a first language. And other 300 million as it is the second language.
You said the three. If you knew my wish that I want to be highly educated.
You must be post English as a book on higher education. So higher education is almost impossible without English.
Yes, I know.
English I will us get good jobs and better salary.
Thank you for your good advice. Now I have to go.
Okay, all.
Welcome.
Arushi and Anushka.
Hello, my name is Rishika. Hi, how are you? I am fine. Where do you live? I live in Sindolia. Nice, I live in Malta. How long do you live there? I live there of 11 years. Do you live alone or with their Robert? I live with my family. Okay, bye. See you.
Varsha and Tanu from class 7.
Very good morning. Please sit. Thanks. So, what's your problem and how can I help you? I have some headache for last 3 days and some cold and fever. That's seasonal problem due to changing in climate and weather. It is a viral disease. So, what I have to do? Nothing, only you take care of you and drink cold water, and I give you advice to take medicine. You will be fine. Thank you, doctor. That's all. Bye.
Mona and Nandini.
Hello.
Hello, how are you, Mona? I am fine. And what is And what is going on now? It is nothing is better. It's been many days. I have no sense over beautiful face. You go somewhere. Did not anyone bear it by it home? But let's just tell me one thing. Do you need speak English? Yes, I know. Speak English daily like not very because of that.
Vishal Sethi and Aditya Sethi from class 6.
How are you?
देखिए हमारे पास प्रतिभागी खत्म हो गए हैं, अब हम उनको बुलाएंगे तुम मजे ले रहे थे, ध्यान रखना, हम उनको बुलाएंगे तुम मजे ले रहे थे बीच में से, जिनका नाम नहीं था ना और जो बीच बीच में मजे ले रहे हैं उनको बुलाऊंगा मैं यहाँ से, इसलिए कीप क्वाइट, आवाज नहीं आनी चाहिए।
Radhika and Ankita Megvanshi from class 6.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, student. Ma'am, my house is far from the school. How far you are from here? It is 5 kilometers from here. How long it will take to reach school? I take half hour. How do you reach school? I come by bus. What time do you get up in morning? I get up 8 o'clock in the morning. You Sadar get up early in the morning. Okay, ma'am. I get up early in the morning for tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Lakshay and Lucky Sao from class 6.
Hi. Sir, my name is Lakshay Jangir. Sir, my father name is Ramesh Chand Jangir. Sir, my mother name is Mona Devi. Sir, my grandfather name is Satyanarayan Jangir. Sir, my grandmother name is Kamla Devi. Sir, I read in class 6.
Krishna Chaudhary and Mancha Sharma from class 6.
Hello, good morning, Manisha.
Hello, good morning, teacher.
How are you?
I am fine.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I ask you something? Ma'am, good is the meaning of lunch?
I have noted diary. I have filled in it then it is notebook.
May our breed is weekend breed.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Bhagyashri. Akshita.
Hello, how are you? I am Bhagyashri. I am Akshita. And what is your nowadays? Nothing special. It's been many days. I have not seen your beautiful face. Did you go somewhere? No, did not anywhere. I have gone. Mate, just tell me one thing. Do you know how to speak English? Yes, I know speak English a little bit, but not very well. Can you teach me to speak English like you? Yes, why not? How will it take to learn English? Some days. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. See you.
Now I invite class 6 girl Simran Verma to present a story in front of us. Simran.
Good morning, everyone. A story of a farmer and a snake. Once there was a farmer. He was coming back to house. It was very cold. He saw a snake lying on the road. He took it. He brought to his house. He put it near fire. After some time, he was warm. The son of the farmer was laying there. The snake tried to beat him. The snake tried to beat him. The farmer was very hungry. He drove it away in the forest. Moral: nature never changes.
The last participant of today's contest, I invite Priyanshi Saini to present a story in front of us. Priyanshi.
Good morning. A story of a peasant and a shopkeeper. Once upon a time there was a shopkeeper. He was very kind. One day he was coming home. He saw a weak and ill pigeon on the road. He picked it up. He brought it to his house.
साधुवाद सभी को। आज अपन ने जो प्रयास किया था, एक कहावत है कि मैं चला तो एकला लोग जुड़ते गए, कारवा बनता गया।
के बहुत अच्छी प्रेजेंटेशन आपकी, ये पहला प्रयास था हमारा, तो इस प्रयास को बनाए रखें, क्योंकि कहावत है कि मंजिल पे पहुंचना